All right, a quick update on Velodrome here. So Velo is still holding on inside of our green box. This green box is from the 786 area, from the low to the high here, and the 618 retracement at about 14.4. So as long as we hold this box here, we may get a nice bounce out of here. You can see how we have this large wick down here, and we're holding support. If we go down to the smaller time frames, this is where we could be forming a very bullish lower high or higher low double bottom scenario here. So we went down, pumped back up, we came back down. If we hold this green box, you can see that market structure that's forming on this much smaller time frame may be the spring that shoots us out of here. So that it could very well be the case. Just wanted to point that out there really quick. So let's get back to where we were back on the 3-day chart. Now, as long as you hold over 14.4, that could very well play out. Now, let's get past that really quick. Now, we could still technically, you can see how we're trading in this downwards channel. We could technically take out that support at 14.4 and then come all the way back down to the 618 and the 786 here on the much larger, or the smaller Fibonacci here at about 11. So we could end up coming back down there and dropping here on Velo about 23-24% here and still be in this channel and still be considered bullish. You could even call this an extended bull flag pattern here off of this very strong move up into this move down. That would still be a very good indication that the price is about to get a nice pump to the upside here. Now, if we bring up the volume on the chart, you can see this is exactly, I'm stumbling over my words here. This is exactly what I want to see, or what we want to see. You can see the strong move up, the volume spike in, and then that volume go down to almost nothing inside of this pattern. So very bullish setup here, in my opinion, on Velo. So I think it's only a matter of time before this thing starts to move back up. Now let's get this little one off of the chart here. Focus on the big boy here. And once we get back over 16 on that 786 here, that could indicate, once you're over that price, that you're going to spike up, which we could do the measured move here, but we're going to look at the top here at 25. That is a 72% move, and there's a good chance that once you spike out of this pattern, you're probably moving up 200% up to the 1272 at 46. I'll just go ahead and do the measured move here. So we go from where this thing started up to the top, and then we just kind of move this over to see potentially where we could be headed on a breakout. So if we break out now, you can see that takes us all the way up to the 1414 potentially. And then if we move this down to the bottom here to that 618, pretty much the 2272 price area. So I think either of those is going to get hit once this thing starts to move again. It's going to have some giant green candles spawning in. So watch the support at 14.4 and then 11 here. Either of those, I think, is going to be the spring, like I said, that moves us up. But yeah, I mean, we're getting one last chance to buy in here once again off of this move down. And also notice on the chart, we're making higher highs, higher lows, very bullish market structure here on Velodrome. So I think it's only a matter of time before she spikes up. Now, with all that being said, potentially how high could Velo go? You can see we do have the 2272 up here at $4. And let me move this down today because we're going back down to the bottom of that support box. You can see about a 26 to 27x to a $2.4 billion market cap. And to be a little more bullish on Velo here, you can see a $5 billion market cap up to about 850 to the 2618 would give you a 58x almost here on Velodrome. So what do you guys think? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.